welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Tonight we'll be cooking dinner and we are going to grill some steak in our air fryer. I have here my marinade, which I already have on my previous blog, and will link you to that blog. It's soy sauce, vinegar, pepper, garlic powder, salt, mushroom seasoning, and etc. Just check our previous blog, it will all be there. Okay, we will. And by the way, we took this steak out, so make sure when you cook steak, to get the best flavor of the steak is make sure it's room temperature before you grill them. Okay, let's put our marinade. Some of you may be thinking that, oh, you're ruining the steak. But this is going to be delicious. We've tried this already with other meats and it's just so good. So, over. And then we'll marinate this for about half hour. And we'll get it in the deep fry.
Air fryer.
I mean deep fry. Air fry. Okay. Okay, ito na ang ating marinated steak. We'll put it in the air fryer. And cook it at let's see here, the temperature, let's put it at 400, and then time would be 5 minutes, you think, or maybe 4 or 3. We don't want our steak to be well cooked, so for those that want well done, then you probably put it longer, but for those that want medium rare, we probably put it at 3 minutes on its side. Okay, we have it 5 minutes on one side, and we'll, oh my gosh, this looks so good. Oops, it's so. Then we'll turn it over and cook it 5 minutes on the other side. Here's our steak. It looks so perfect. Let's have a bite. It's so juicy and so, seems like it's so tender. Still got a little bit of pink in it. Let me have a bite. Let me get the fat off. Mmm. Oh, yummy. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.